What are y'all up to right now? Anyone at home this Saturday? Anyone at work? Anyone who's supposed to be working but they're watching Little Old Me instead? Oh, you help keep the chat chatting. Very cool, Ramona. I gotcha. Respect. Well, I'm glad I met you on Chantel's channel because she is so sweet. Dubai, you can send a message, but I can't promise to respond to it because a lot of people send me messages. Ramona, I see you. Yeah, there have been a few instances where I've had to block people, unfortunately. But most everyone on my channel is very nice and respectful. I've only had to block a few times. Pin on the speed rounds. Oh, okay. Very cool. Is that your job, or what else do you do, Ramona? Because I watch your posts, but I don't actually know that much about you. If you don't mind me asking. Hi, Dominique Benton, Wolf Within, Brunkieth, W. Bookatour, Colbert, Main, Everett, Marky Mark. Nice name, Marky Mark. Matt, welcome, Ibrahim. I guess Bro Edits, Midside, Lil Kerm, Rodrigo Contra, Aguilar Fitness. Aguilar, sorry you missed the workout. You started watching her lives, joined the nightly, she added me as a mod. That's so cool, Ramona. Hey, why are your drink not finishing? Sorry, I left this on. I didn't want it dripping on my clothes, but I have that much left. It's mostly ice water now, with a little bit of bitterness. Like my soul. Empty and full of ice. Ramona. Okay. She's a boss lady. She's an office queen. Okay. Baba Akraye. Aw. There's no more coffee. I'm probably going to take a nap. Yes, the entire coffee, I'm probably going to take a nap. I work out, go to the gym. No, what, Ramona? You got twin boys? Aw. How old are they? Only if you're okay with sharing that. David. I'm good. How are you, David? I just finished working out. I kicked ass and took names. Excuse me. Oh my goodness. 21, that's scary. That's scary. Now they can legally do all the things. May 26th, I'll be 3 years married. Ramona, congratulations. Congratulations. Egg crab, OMG. OMG, good OMG or bad OMG? 18 years? Ramona, what's your secret? What's the secret to a long-lasting relationship? So 15 years dating, living together, loving each other, and then 3 years officially tied the knot. Ramona, that's incredible. I'm very happy for you. He works half the month out of town. Aww, that's hard, Ramona. Dubai, I like you respond to me much if you don't like me about me. Ramona. But that's wonderful, Ramona. And yeah, anyone on here, you are more than welcome to send me a message. I'm not promising to respond to anyone because I'm only one person and I do have a life outside of my phone. So just because I don't respond to you does not mean I don't care. Okay? No offense to anyone. I'm also taken. So romantical interests, I have a boyfriend. It's not easy. I believe it's not easy, Ramona. I believe that for sure. I do not have any children. No, ma'am. I teach piano, so I have a bunch of kids that I work with. I love my students very much. But no children of my own. No kids of my own. I'm good with kids, but I don't have the mental or physical capacity to take care of another living being outside of myself. Hello. Is that your job? I have 2 jobs, yes. Teaching piano is one of my jobs. And then right now my other job is being a server waitress at a cafe. And that's where I went for brunch this morning. I never get to eat our food because I'm always the one serving the food the morning off. So I got all dressed up and then got myself brunch. Yes, English. English is my language. Yes, it is. You served for 15 years? Your eye's very nice. Thank you. It's a little mascara smudgy, actually. No, I see that. Ramona, any tips for better tips? Because I've only been a server for the last 2.5, 3 months. So if you got any tips for getting better tips, you girls listening. You making too much money, I can save money. Sir, pre-bus your tables. Yes, I try to do a kind of a drive-by sweep of like grabbing stuff as I go. I'm trying to get better at that. I'm very talkative, so I need to be better about hovering. Sometimes I hover a bit too much. So I've gotten better at that. Gotten better. Very bad at English. Aw. Oh, you speak Portuguese. Very cool. Very. I want to learn to speak another language. Nice earrings. Thank you, Martin. I love these earrings so much. I got them from a Tinkerbell set, hence the name. Perfect legs. You know it. Brazil here. Always check on your tables and never. Ramona, you know it. Yeah. No, I usually try and sweep in with like if I see a half glass, I'm like, all right, I'm gonna go ahead and fill it up or drop off another drink. You're a very fan of my beautiful. Aww. Y'all are so sweet. Give it 360. Offer extra napkins. That's a good one. No, Cody, I'm not single. Thank you, Mahanad. Sorry, Cody, I'm not single. I have a boyfriend. Asfail. Aw, you're so nice. Yeah, I love my outfit. You're a big fan? Aw, thank you. Thank you, thank you. Can you cross as a secretary? When you say cross, you mean like this? Across your legs? Oh. So pretty. Thank you. Thank you. I know. What's funny is anyone who's joining now, I've been working my ass off. I did 50 biceps curls, 40 skull crushers, 10 minutes on the elliptical, and 10 weighted squats. So anyone on here is like, oh, you look so pretty, you look so good. Thank you. Because I've been working my ass off. And the fact that I still look good, thank you. Dubai, very beautiful, thank you. I do have a boyfriend.